tired of flies and insects in your house? We've all been there. Those pesky little critters can really take the joy out of our homes, can't they? But what if I told you there's a simple yet incredibly effective solution you can whip up with just a few household items? Intriguing, isn't it? Well, worry no more. Today you will learn a simple way to get rid of these pests once and for all. To start, gather the following items. First, you will need 2 cinnamon sticks. The cinnamon's strong aroma is an excellent deterrent for pests, and it also adds a pleasant scent to your home. Next, you'll need half a liter of white vinegar. Vinegar is a natural pest repellent and it's safe to use around your home. You'll also need 100 milliliters of water to dilute the vinegar. Add 10 drops of washing up liquid. This helps the solution stick to surfaces, making it more effective. Lastly, get an empty spray bottle. This will be used to mix and store your homemade repellent. Once you have all these items, you're ready to start making your homemade pest repellent. Creating this repellent is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start by securing 2 cinnamon sticks, half a liter of white vinegar, 100 milliliters of water, and 10 drops of washing up liquid. Now let's get that empty spray bottle ready. First, drop the cinnamon sticks into the bottle. They'll serve as our secret weapon, but more on that later. Next, pour in the white vinegar. This is a key component of our repellent. Now add the water into the mix. This dilutes the vinegar, making it less harsh but still effective. Lastly, add the washing up liquid. This ingredient helps to bind everything together, ensuring an even distribution when sprayed. Now give it a good shake to mix everything together. Let it rest for 1 to 2 days before using. This allows the ingredients to blend and intensify their repellent properties. And there you have it, your very own homemade pest repellent. With your repellent ready, it's time to put it to the test. Spray this aromatic vinegar-based concoction in the nooks and crannies where you often spot flies, roaches, and mosquitoes. The secret lies in the cinnamon sticks, a natural pest deterrent. Pests detest the strong smell, making it a fantastic, non-toxic solution for your home. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to keep your home pest-free. So, are you ready to reclaim your home from those pesky pests? You've seen the simple solution, a homemade pest repellent, easy to make and effective. Give it a try and enjoy a pest-free environment. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful and practical content like this. See you in the next video.